Wellness is not about wanting to be somewhere where you are not. Wellness is not about fearing something. Wellness is about being grounded, being present in this very moment. For experiencing wellness, you need inner calmness. For leading different processes within your mind, you need practical intrapersonal skills. All external tools don't work within your mind. You only have self-observation. You only have self-leadership skills. Mental wellness is really about self-leadership, about taking responsibility. Ability to respond is light. It is very easy to respond consciously when you are conscious. If you lose consciousness, you become reactive. You react in different situations. And in such reactions, you have no freedom. In such reactions, you experience stress. In such reactions, once you become busier and busier, and when you use adrenaline to boost them, you will experience burnout. When you add fear, you have anxiousness and anxiety. All mental health issues take a long time to cure. It's much easier to learn how to keep a calm mind, how to have practical interpersonal skills, how to lead yourself in any situation, how to take responsibility. That is what Wellness Orbit and Mental Wellness Revolution is all about. Giving you tools to lead yourself, giving you inner strength to deal with any kind of situation, anywhere. I mean, it's really easy to be calm in this beautiful, serene environment. But what happens here can remain the same here and in the office. Here and in the heat of a dispute with your loved one. If your loved one gets angry or disappointed, you don't have to go along. What they need is that you stay calm, you listen, you hear, you offer solutions. When you do that, they also calm down. I mean, I have 2 kids, I know. But for this you need interpersonal skills. You need to spot the earliest little fires of reactivity and not to make them into bonfire. You need to remain calm instead, put out the fires, enjoy inner calmness. Having a calm mind is what really makes me joyful and happy. I mean, I know I can handle any situation in life, any rejection, any setback, any longer period of hard times, because my mind stays calm. So just come and browse around in wellnessorbit.com. I mean, we have free resources. We have hundreds and more blogs about how to stay and remain mentally well. All are written and given to you for free so that you could enjoy a calmer mind, more peaceful inner being, a better self-leadership. And yes, of course, we have world-class mental wellness e-trainings. Trainings that help you and your team. I sincerely hope that one day everyone trains their mind. Not because I have a business in that area, but because I know how great it is to have a calm, serene mind in every situation in life. Thanks. Until the next time.